Hi guys, welcome back to the Low Sodium Queen, and today we're going to be making a beef pot roast. I'm going to be making it out of the 500 recipes book like I did the lasagna, and it is on page 166 called beef pot roast, obviously. So, it's by Dick Logue. So, what we're going to do is, it says it calls for a 2-pound beef roast, but this is a 3.53 pound chuck roast. And we just like those better. It's just what I grew up on, eating roast. And so I'm going to do a little bit of math here because I want it to cook the same as in the book as the recipe. So for 2 pounds, it calls for 2 cups of beef broth. So if my roast is 3.5 pounds, I'm going to need 3.5 cups of beef broth and so forth, with all of my other things. So I'm going to have to go through and do math like that, and that's what you guys are going to have to do too. But the serving size for this is, for every serving there's 125 milligrams of sodium, which isn't bad at all. So I'm going to go ahead and prep all this and get this ready and show you guys exactly what all I did use. Okay, so I'm over here at my little station, and what I'm going to do first is, it says it needs 2 cups of beef broth for 2 pounds of meat. So I'm going to be using 3 of my beef bouillons. That's no sodium at all. That's the oven going off that I preheated. So for every packet you use a cup. And I am putting in 3 packets here. And then I'll go put 3 cups of water in it, and I'll put it in the beef roast. Next thing it says to do is 1 cup carrot sliced. So I'm going to need 2 cups of carrots, like the onions. So I gotta peel them, and then we'll cut them. Potatoes peeled into large pieces. I got these that I'm going to be using, plus 3 extra potatoes. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is cut these potatoes in there, just with their peelings on. And I think I'm just going to leave the peel on the other potatoes too. Maybe? No. No, I won't. I'll peel them right quick and cut them up. So let me bring them over here and slice them up. Now, it doesn't say to add any seasoning to this, which is really weird because I don't know how roast could taste good without seasoning. So I'm gonna put a good bit of black pepper on top of this because that's what my mama does. And I like her roast. So really, she puts garlic salt, but I can't eat that anymore, so I'm gonna put garlic powder and parsley. And a little bit of onion powder on my roast as well. So I'm changing this recipe a little bit because, y'all, I'm already going without salt. I ain't going without seasoning. 4 or 5 packets of sweet and low on this. And now it says to cover it, but before I cover it, I am going to go take pictures of it. So after that, I'll just cover it and put it in the oven, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's been cooking. Alright guys, and the roast is done. It is super delicious, and I've already cut off a couple pieces and I can't stop eating it, so I want to hurry up and eat it. But everything is done. What I did do though is I let it cook a little bit longer, and I had to put it on broil in my oven on low broil and flip it once or twice for about another hour or an hour and a half because it was a little bit bigger than the 2 pounds that they said. So in the end, it turned out really great. Now I'm going to make some gravy out of the juice here, and we're going to transfer the roast and stuff to another bowl. But I already took pictures and stuff, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like it, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you get notifications when it's time when I post a new video, which I try to do every day. Alright guys, until next time, bye!